Connor, can you climb on the bed? Can you get up to Mom? Come on. Connor. Go. Jump, jump, jump.
Connor can get your turtle. She has new batteries. Come get it.
Connor, I'm holding the edge down for you. Go. Better get up there. Your flashlight's up there waiting for you. Do the other leg. Go, go, go. Other leg, other leg. Connor, you can make it. Other leg. Okay. Here, I'll help you on the other side. There. Go.
He's not even trying.
Connor, that is the laziest climb.